Students of Northeastern Hill University, Nehu, protested yesterday by burning effigies of Vice-Chancellor Professor Prabha Shankar Shukla and other officials, accusing them of incompetence. The protest followed a memorandum demanding the Vice-Chancellor's resignation. The students vowed to continue their hunger strike until their demands are met. Meanwhile, Governor C.H. Vijay Shankar, also the Chief Rector of Nehu, called on Nehuta and Metta Nehu to mediate and urge the students to end their hunger strike for health reasons. Nehuta President Professor Lakhon Kumar confirmed that the meeting with the governor was to inform him of the situation and discuss possible solutions.
And that much at least he has assured us that he will do everything possible as a chief rector to, and his main concern, like all of us, was that kids should not go like this. No, they are on hunger strike. It's so sad because ultimately university is meant for them. If they are not there, we teachers are not there, nobody is there. People may come and go, VCs may come and go, teachers may come and go, non-teaching staff may come and go, but the university must stay, and it must stay for the student community of this beautiful state of Meghalaya, and of course the entire region, and of course the whole country as such.
Community leaders from Sakhoi